Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. We need to catch up. I have wanted to film this a day in my life video from such a long time, but I don't know, I just got lazy because of all the work. I'm still adjusting to my part-time job and getting time for myself sort of lifestyle. So, welcome to another gloomy day in my life because it's always gloomy in London. I freaking hate the weather here. Anyway, I woke up at 7. I freshened up and stuff, and now I'm gonna do what I do every morning. The first thing that I do every morning after making my bed is call my mom. I really want to work out next, but I also just want to go to bed and sleep for a while. Life is hard, but I'm gonna work out. I've slept a lot. If I sleep more, then my face is gonna swell up more than it already has. So I'm gonna try and work out. I've been literally doing the Chloe Days 2 week summer shred challenge since 2 years now, and I'm getting nowhere. So here's another attempt at starting the challenge and hoping to complete it to at least get somewhere. Just finished with the workout and I'm so sweaty and gross right now. I'm just gonna go quickly have a shower, then I'm gonna make something for myself for breakfast. So I'll see you guys after I have a shower because I'm disgusting right now. So I have decided that I'm gonna make some banana oats because it's the easiest and I'm really hungry, and it's gonna get ready in a minute. So vlog कर दिए मेरे क्विक.
Mal no oats, please. Please, my oats no oats.
It's a healthy.
No, please. Oats bad.
Oats no bad, oats healthy.
Oats bad. Omelette good.
चुप कर.
भिंडी बनायची का?
What?
बन जा तू मेरी.
Banana oats porridge. Please ignore the kachra and this kachra.
You are कचरा. ऑमलेट बनाऊंगा मैं ऑमलेट खाऊंगा.
माझ्यासाठी एक अंड्याचं बनव. जेवायला भेंडीची भाजी
आणि नाश्त्याला अंड्याची पोळी.
ये क्या है?
वो तू
वो मेरे को ये दे. I'll do it.
एक हाँ हो गया हाफ फ्राय खाऊ का आज?
तुला हे खायचं ते खा, मला हे दे आधी.
कुठं?
मस्त. Now we're gonna prep for lunch because ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं स्पेंड करना है किचन में. We have our work to do, so
Yeah.
Just-
Today's gonna be a busy day. I have a focus group to conduct.
I have some videos to shoot. I have to go to work at 5. I hate closing. It's 5 to 9. Comment down below if bhindi is your favorite sabji. Comment bhindi if bhindi is your favorite sabji. You know, I don't know why chopping vegetables is so therapeutic. मी vlog करती है साइली. Vlog करती है.
अरे यार ब्लॉग मध्ये मी आलेलो स्टुपिड
Round AF. As round as Heidi's face.
As round as your face.
Blah blah
As round as your face.
I hate closing. I don't like to work 5 to 9. मुझे सुबह सुबह उठा के 6 to 12 भी if they give me, I'm fine with it. I'm happy to work in the morning, but रात को यार नहीं होता. But anyway, I'm getting paid. I'm getting to pay my own bills, so that's okay. I can't really complain because 5 to 9 is all like just 4 hours, and my job isn't really hectic. It's actually fun. I like working there. So, why is the weather so bad in London all the time? It started raining. Yeah, so I just did my hair and now I'm gonna join Rutvik's focus group, and then after that I'll have to start getting ready to go to work.
I'm just like this much jealous.
To H&M, and your suggestions and your feedback would be really appreciated. Thank you for joining on such a short notice. And let's just start with the first question then. So the first question.
Getting paid for this, right?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
need
you
something
guys are
from
getting-
H&M. We
you
need
guys are
something from
getting- I'm
H&M.
going to take you all shopping for H&M, where you guys will pay for yourselves and buy something from H&M.
ऋत्विक, काय देणार आम्हाला तुझ्या फोकस ग्रुपसाठी? आम्ही आमचा एवढा किमती टाइम दिलाय तुला.
भेंडीची भाजी चपाती.
ते सायलीने बनवतो.
ओ भाई असले वैतागलेल्या मूड मध्ये मी फुल अशी आले आणि फुल अशी
Yummy.
Sorry for the poor lighting, but it's really gloomy outside and I have to start getting ready now because it's 3:20 and I have to leave by 3:50. I also put eyeliner so that I don't look sick. Otherwise, with eyeliner, I look really bimar. I mean, look at me right now. I'm gonna get changed into my work outfit. So I've just started working here like a month ago and I'm not really qualified for a uniform yet. So our dress code is to wear all black. I should stop talking and I should really start getting ready, otherwise I'm gonna miss my bus and I'm gonna lose my money, which we don't want to happen. So I'll see you guys once I'm ready. Done, and it's still raining so heavily outside. Yaar, please koi rok do ye barish ko. We are in the month of July already, and I know you guys might have started with your preparations if you wanna join your universities for the September intake. I know most of y'all might already have received their offer letters or their CAS letters, or y'all might have even started with your visa applications. But in case you guys haven't, in case you guys are still confused and still figuring out which university you want to go for, you don't have a proper guidance about the UK universities, or if you're looking for some expert information or counseling from some experts, then you guys should check out this virtual study abroad fair by YOKIT. If you guys are looking to go for your undergrad, masters or MBA, it is open for all of the students from South Asia and MENA countries. This world tour is a great opportunity to interact with the university officials across the globe on a one-on-one basis. This is your chance to get all the information regarding your courses, COVID-19 regulations, scholarships, or even discuss fees and fundings with the university officials. You can get yourself a free ticket and register with the link provided in this description box. If you are looking forward to attend this fair, then block your calendar with the dates 15th July and 16th July. 15th July is for all South Asian applicants and 16th is for the MENA countries. The details will be given in the description box below. Make sure to check out YOKIT's website. They have amazing study abroad services for students like us who are aspiring to graduate or study abroad. I've mentioned the link for this particular fair and also for YOKIT's website and their Instagram in the description box below. So please go and check it out. It's going to be really helpful for you to figure out what courses you want. I personally attended one of such fairs before applying to all these universities, and it was really helpful talking to an university official because they'll give you first-hand information about what's actually happening in their university. So this is a great opportunity. Make sure you don't miss the dates, 15th and 16th July. So I have 5 minutes more to go. I'm feeling so demotivated. My workplace is actually an hour of a bus ride away from my apartment. But then again, England's buses are so damn slow. I literally feel like if I could just walk to my workplace, I would reach like 10 minutes earlier than the bus because that's how slow these buses are. I'll just grab all of my stuff. I have my watch. I have my keys inside it, my ID, my mask. I have my debit card and my Oyster card. I need my umbrella. I bought this umbrella last month from Primark. It's just for £5 and it's so nice. Like, isn't it so cute? Umbrella is done. Yeah, okay, I need to. Love the smell. Bye, Rutvik.
Bye.
What are you watching?
Jimmy Wet
Full black. I'm fed of wearing full black, you know.
Take care. Have a good day.
Thanks. You? Bye. Oh shit, I forgot my earphones at home. It's gonna be a boring 1 hour journey. Do you know how hard it is to walk past all these sales and not be able to buy anything because you're broke? I've reached my workplace and I am still 10 minutes early. My shift starts at 5 and it's 4:50 right now. So let's go. Hi. So we are done closing. I'm gonna head home now. I'm really tired. It's 9:05. Because I'm walking to the bus station and my bus is supposed to arrive in 2 minutes. And I hope I'll catch it in time. There's still a long walk. And I don't want to miss this bus because if I do, then another one is after 25 minutes and I cannot wait for that long. Plus my phone battery is dying. It's at 8%. Okay, bye. I reached literally in 30 minutes. ये पहली बार हुआ है कि मैं मेरे काम से घर आधे घंटे में पहुंच गई हूँ, वरना it's always an hour or something. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was it for the day in my life. If you guys enjoyed the video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment and let me know your thoughts about it. Also, the next video is going to be an informative one about accommodation and stuff, how to find a cheaper accommodation in London, all the tips and tricks I'm gonna share with you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'll try and post regularly. I'm still getting used to this schedule of working and taking time out for myself and filming and stuff, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'll try and be consistent. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue watching the bold type and then sleep because I have a long day ahead tomorrow. I have work from 11 to 5, so I'll probably have to wake up early in the morning because I'll have to leave by 10. Yeah, anyway. Thank you for all the love and support you guys always show on my videos. I love you guys so much. Bye.